Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a virtual tour workflow using Matterport detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Matterport camera, a smartphone or tablet, and the Matterport Capture app installed. Set up your Matterport camera according to the manufacturer's instructions. Charge your camera and make sure it has enough battery for the entire scanning session. Connect your camera to the Wi-Fi network and ensure your smartphone or tablet is on the same network. Open the Matterport Capture app on your device. Select the New Tour option to create a new project. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your scan settings and project name. Position your camera at the starting point of your virtual tour, ideally in a well-lit area. Press the Start Scan button in the app to initiate the first scan. Make sure to rotate the camera slowly and allow it to complete the scan. After the first scan, move the camera to the next location where you want to scan. Repeat the scanning process by pressing Start Scan and allowing the camera to capture each position. Continue scanning until you've covered all desired areas of the property. After completing all scans, return to your original starting point to create a seamless flow in the tour. When all scans are finished, select Finish Scans in the app to prepare your project for processing. Wait for the app to upload the scans to your Matterport Cloud account. Once the upload is complete, log into your Matterport Cloud account on a computer. Locate your newly created virtual tour in the dashboard. Use the editing tools available to enhance your tour, such as adding labels or highlights. Preview your virtual tour to ensure everything looks as you desire. After final adjustments, publish your virtual tour to make it accessible to others. Share the link to your virtual tour across various platforms as required. That's how you install a virtual tour workflow using Matterport. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.